Have you ever watched movers struggle with a heavy piano? They don't lift it straight into the truck. They use a long, sturdy plank of wood, an inclined plane. It's the simplest machine with no moving parts, but it's based on an incredibly powerful idea. The secret is a trade-off. You exchange a longer distance for much less effort. Lifting that piano straight up is a short path, but it means fighting 100% of its weight against gravity. Pushing it up a ramp is a longer journey, but at any single moment, you're only working against a small fraction of that weight. The gentler the slope, the easier the push. The angle of that ramp is everything. A steep ramp feels like a wall and doesn't help much, but a long, gentle ramp gives you a huge mechanical advantage. That's why Australian laws require wheelchair ramps, like those at the Sydney Opera House, to have a very gentle slope. It ensures someone can power themselves up without becoming exhausted. Now, what if the ramp itself moves? Put two inclined planes back to back and you get a wedge. Think of an axe head. It doesn't lift the wood, it's driven into the wood, and its sloped sides force the log apart with immense power. Even more cleverly, if you wrap an inclined plane in a spiral around a central pole, you get a screw. Each thread is part of a very long, gentle ramp. By turning a screwdriver, you're moving a load up that ramp in a compact space, creating enough force to pull pieces of wood together with incredible strength. Once you understand this principle, you see it everywhere. The zigzag roads climbing a steep mountain, a series of inclined planes for your car, massive conveyor belts in a mine, a gentle slope lifting tons of rock. It's the power of the slope, a simple, elegant idea that literally moves our world.